Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. Now, if you have disabled it for some reason and you want to turn it on right now, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, from this point forward, what we are going to do is head over to the settings, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down here to the content and then pop-ups and redirects. Now, there are two things that we're going to do here. The first one, sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. You can go ahead and turn this on just like so. And then if you are going to customize the behaviors, let's say for example, allow to send pop-ups and use redirects for certain websites, and you can definitely do that. For example, we have this one here. I'm going to click add, and let's say for example, I'm going to go ahead and use facebook.com. So in facebook.com, whenever we are going to see add, for example, and then click those, what you're going to do is that you'll be sent it, or you'll be receiving pop-ups or be redirected to certain pages. And that, everybody, is how you're going to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome.